About 21 kilometers west of Heraklion, one can visit the beach of Agia Pelagia. You can get to this small village by car, or more easily, using the bus services from Heraklion. There are many accommodation choices, taverns and restaurants, ATMs and supermarkets, and all of them located within walking distance of the main beach of Agia Pelagia. It is a narrow, sandy beach with many sunbeds and umbrellas. The waters are shallow, and the beach is often crowded. Popular among locals who like to combine a swim with a tasty lunch or a cocktail in one of the beach bars, it is also a popular destination among tourists. Make sure that you take a walk to Psaroumoura beach, which is a small distance away. Whether you are the party type or you prefer a nice swim, then Agia Pelagia is the place to be.